What's up everyone? Today we're taking a look at a very special pair of Bluetooth earphones. These are the IQBuds Boost by Nuheara. So not only are these things supposed to provide you with some nice Bluetooth audio, but they will also boost your hearing. So it's best we start off with the companion app, which is available for both iOS and Android. This is where it all goes down. On the first page you have the option to switch between various location presets, and by the way there's a way to do it directly from the earbuds themselves, as well as a few other controls which I'll talk about in just a bit. But yeah, each preset will block out and amplify different frequencies. For example, the driving option is going to let you hear the world normally, whilst blocking out low rumbling frequencies that come from the car you're driving. As well, you can select up to 4 modes to quickly cycle through while using the touch function on the earbuds. Like I said, more on that in a sec. You can also go through and fine tune a lot of the details yourself if you want. You also have a big slider for the amount of world volume you hear. On the second page, you can see your ear ID, which displays just how good your hearing is in each ear. So you can see I have full rings on both sides, which means perfect hearing. So it's nice to see at age 19, my ears aren't destroyed just yet. But yeah, there's a full hearing test you can take within the app and get some customized results, which is super neat and useful, especially if you're a bit older than I am. On the third page, you can customize all your shortcuts, and on the final page is just some info. Now getting to the actual earbuds themselves, here they are, and how good does the actual hearing boosting and blocking stuff work? The boosting does indeed work. Depending on what mode you are in, you'll be able to hear certain frequencies a lot better. The quality of the boosted noises aren't going to match real life, and things like voices are going to sound a bit weird and tinny, but it definitely works. At first, it's really crazy, and I honestly just went around doing random things at my house, amazed at how much extra sound I could now hear. The blocking is decent and is more of a suppression. These aren't going to be like some nice noise cancelling earphones, but once again, depending on the mode, it really can turn down some noises. The audio quality all in all is extremely nice. It's super clean, dynamic, and there's even some low end in there. While using these, there was even a few times where I was listening to a song and I was like, I didn't know that sound was in that song. Everything coming out of these sounds very pleasing. Moving on to the case, it's made mainly of soft touch plastic with some glossy accents. It looks and feels nice and is the perfect size to slip right in your pocket. On the front you have a button that probably does something, and on the back you have your micro USB port for charging, which they should have made Type-C, and then on the bottom you have some nice rubber feet so this thing doesn't slide around if you put it down. Once opened up, you'll see all the LEDs, and how these work is, I think the 4 at the bottom indicate the charge left in the case, and the other 2 next to the earbuds let you know if those are fully charged, but who knows, because every time you open and close the case, it shows something different. There should have definitely been some type of instruction manual included with these. The earbuds on their own last 8 hours while playing music and 12 hours while enhancing audio, and then with the added battery from the case, they can go for 20 hours of music streaming and 32 hours of audio enhancing. One thing this case is definitely missing though is some magnets to snap and hold the earphones into place. This is something you'll find on pretty much every pair of high-end earphones. Not only does it make the product feel more premium, but it actually keeps them from falling out and moving around in many occasions. So sadly, no magnets except for the ones that snap the case shut, because those are definitely present. Looking at the build of the earphones themselves, the construction is solid, pretty average weight, and the design is nice. On the outer side of both earphones, you have a flat, touch-sensitive area which gives you access to some controls. For example, I have mine set to play pause with a tap on the left, activate Siri with a double tap on the left, turn the world on and off with a right tap, so it definitely can be pretty useful. These are also sweat-proof, so you can wear them while working out, and they fit in the ear really nicely and won't be falling out at all. You can really find the perfect fit via all the different included ear tips. Everything you get in the box includes, of course, the earphones and the case, the charging cable, a bunch of plush ear tips, some memory foam ear tips, and all your paperwork. What's cool about all these provided ear tips is that they come in a bunch of sizes in both oval and rounded shapes to really help you find that perfect fit. As well, those memory foam ear tips are really nice. Some other cool features include the earphones pausing your music when you take the left earphone out of your ear, automatically pairing to your phone when you take them out of the case, and there's an adapter you can buy which can stream audio from your TV to these earphones. The IQBuds Boost go for $300. The main focus of these is definitely the increased hearing they can offer, and I think that they're definitely more viable for people with acute to medium hearing loss. I wouldn't recommend buying these if you have perfect hearing, even though the Boost is pretty fun to play around with. These have lots of features, including that really nice hearing test, and the boosted audio coming from these isn't amazing, but it is functional and could help quite a few people who just need that extra boost in certain occasions. Thanks for watching. The link to the IQBuds Boost is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.